Today I will show you how to make YouTube channel art for desktop and mobile YouTube using Fonta app. First, we need to download the YouTube channel art template as guide. So here we go. Go to Safari browser, search YouTube channel art template, and select images, and look for YouTube channel art size guide image. And then save it to your photo album. Then we go back to home screen, click on Fonta app. Once launched, select on the camera icon, select plain images, and then we choose the black image, and we will resize it according to the YouTube channel art size, which is 2560 width, 1440 height. And then we will use and save. Select the three line icon on the lower left to select the image which we downloaded. And then we will resize the image according to the black image. Here is the size that I used: 403, width 403, height 230. We are done adjusting the channel art guide. We can start making our channel art. We will be editing or adding images in the dark area. This is the text and logo safe area. For our channel art, I'll be adding a shape as our background. Resize it according to the dark area size. You can also use any images from your photo album as background. Here is the size of the background. For our background, I added another layer. I resize it according to the desktop minimum and mobile. Then I also added images and logo for our channel art. Once done, click on the lower right. Then select Save Image to save the channel art. Then we can finally add the channel art on the YouTube page. Here's the final look of our channel art. Thanks for watching. Bye.